I've been working for 12 years on this book, Decolonizing the Mind, that deals with how the European production of knowledge has been colonized. And it's being translated, it has been translated in Farsi, and Professor Amelie is writing an introduction, asked me to look at the life and work of Imam Reza, whom I didn't know 6 months ago. So, and then he sent me all the books in English about the life of Imam Reza. So I studied them, and then I looked how the life and thought of Imam Reza and the European knowledge production was related to it. In the European Enlightenment, knowledge has been separated from ethics in 6 steps. Before the European Enlightenment, knowledge was based on the Bible. And in the Bible, one Bishop Usher, calculated the genealogical tree from the Bible, from Adam till now, then, and people could become 900 years old. And he calculated that God created the universe on Sunday, October the 23rd, 4004 before Common Era. And now there is a reaction that says, no, this is not correct. So the critique comes in 6 steps. One is French philosopher René Descartes. And Descartes says, knowledge comes from the mind, not from the Bible. I think, therefore I am.